smartest boy in class. Some words are so dog.
Tug? Oh, remember I told you the GH sometimes sounds like an F. It's tough, like rough or laugh.
Oh, Joey, make love to me tonight.
That is good English.
Like go, in go. Though, although. Dough, donut. Like who, into. Through. Like off, in offer. Cough. Trough. Like off, in suffer. Rough. Tough. Enough. Like how, in flower. Bow. Plow. Trout. Like or, in saw. Bought. Fought. Thought. Ought. Like a, in above. Borough. Thorough. Thoroughfare. Like up, in up. Hiccup.